reasons. And you know, being...
And I brought the roots.
Okay. And you know what? I just want to remind you that the greatest thing you could do is be kind. So if you be kind, Santa forgives all the little things you forget to do, okay? Okay.
So in the spirit of Christmas, in the spirit of truth, of joy, let's all sing very happily together, page 29, Joy to the World.
Get ready to bring those down.